Weather Radio, station KWN32, broadcasting in Gilmer on 162.425 megahertz. Be sure to follow us on Facebook. Here's a look at local weather. Radio station KHP 46 in Baton Rouge, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This NOAA weather radio service includes a specific area message encoder for special receivers during emergencies. NOAA weather radio broadcasts 24 hours a day from the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge area forecast office in Slidell, Louisiana. Our transmitter is located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Here is the NOAA weather radio station KEC 86 from Pensacola, Florida. We broadcast on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz from the Mobile, Pensacola National Weather Service. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. A marine dense fog remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Western Choctawhatchee Bay, and Eastern Choctawhatchee Bay. A marine dense fog remains in effect until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. A dense fog advisory remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following areas: in Alabama, Baldwin Central and Baldwin Coastal, in the following areas: in Florida, Escambia Coastal, Okaloosa Coastal, and Santa Rosa Coastal. Here's your National Weather Service forecast. Listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH-24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from your National Weather Service office in Tallahassee, Florida. The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by calling our automated forecast line at 850-942-8851. The current time is 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Weather Radio KHP 32 Tampa Bay, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The tower for KHP 32 is located in Riverview, in Hillsborough County, and serves West Central Florida, with programming originating from the National Weather Service office in Ruskin. The station provides warning alerts for Hillsborough, Pinellas, Pasco, Polk, Hardee, and Manatee counties. Synopsis: Desert Weather Radio Station WXJ95, the voice of the National Weather Service in Key West, Florida, broadcasting from an antenna on Sugarloaf Key on a frequency of 162.4 megahertz, with broadcasts available on Marine PH and Channel 2. These are the 9. You are listening to the voice of the National Weather Service on NOAA weather radio station WWF44. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Huntsville and is transmitted on a frequency of 162.500. At 7 p.m., this is NOAA weather radio station WXK48, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting from Signal Mountain, with content originating from your National Weather Service office in Morristown, Tennessee. Synopsis: dry but cold conditions persist through Tuesday night. The next system comes in Wednesday for a chance of widespread light snowfall. The last couple days of the week will be significantly colder than normal, with highs near to below freezing and lows as cold as the single digits and teens possible at week's end. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for Radio, all hazards, the voice of the National Weather Service. This is station KIG 79, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office near Nashville. This broadcast is in cooperation with the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. The current time is 10:41 a.m. Central Standard Time. The weather radio station WXJ 55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. Your National Weather Service forecast for Central Arkansas. Cold weather advisory in effect until midnight Central Standard Time tonight. For the following counties in Arkansas, Lee and St. Francis, and the following counties in Mississippi, DeSoto, Tate, and Tunica. Extreme cold warning remains in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. Cold weather advisory in effect from midnight Thursday night to noon Central Standard Time Friday. What? For the extreme cold warning. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 6 below expected tonight. For the cold weather advisory, very cold temperatures as low as 2 above expected Friday morning. Where? Portions of East Arkansas, North Mississippi, and West Tennessee. When? For the extreme cold warning, from 9 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. For the cold weather advisory, from midnight Thursday night to noon Central Standard Time Friday. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 5 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Frostbite and hypothermia will occur if unprotected skin is exposed to these temperatures. Dress in layers, including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. Use caution while traveling outside.